Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be going over the break and continue commands. They are part of the basic condition list. Now, the break and continue commands are somewhat similar. They are both used in a loop. Now, the break command, when it is met in a loop, it will just break out of the entire loop and it will never enter the loop again. And the continue command is different in that once it is met, it will skip everything else that is below it in that current iteration of the loop. However, it will continue to run that loop. So now I will do a short demonstration here. Start off with the break command. Now what will happen in this loop is that the robot will move between these two waypoints, and it will iterate this test variable that I've previously set initialized to 0. It'll iterate it by 1, and it will do this until the variable is equal to 3, and once the variable is equal to 3, it breaks. And we will see that it will break out of this loop without hitting this message, which I set to after if. So we will see that in action here. Here. Continue to run, and now on the third iteration, so now it's equal to 3, it will hit this break statement, and we'll just stop the program overall. The reason it stopped the program was because the loop was the only thing in the project. That is why it broke out of the loop and stopped the project. However, if you had other things outside of the loop, it will just continue to run those things instead of the loop. Now, let's change it to the continue command. Okay, now what will happen? It will run for the 3 iterations. And now on the 3rd iteration, it will hit this continue command. And what is going to happen is that it's going to hit this continue command and just skip this last message command here in this current loop iteration. However, it will continue to go back into the loop and run the loop as normal. So it will not break out of the loop. It will just only skip everything that is below this continue command. So here, skip the message, and I'll just continue to run this project as normal. And there we go. And that is how you use the break and continue commands.